Kedu Ahambunia Ekwen.
Kedu Ahambu Mario Keke.
When
I heard about Express Igbo, we decided that it was really important that I take this class.
We have a godsend sent to us in Express Igbo. Once the classes were available, we knew instantly that I should start taking them.
One of the great things about Express Igbo created an environment or a setting where you could use your Igbo, and because you're using it, you get better at it, you get more fluent.
I was able to take the classes. I was able to learn conversational Igbo.
During the class, I had time with the TAs, one-on-one time to speak with the TAs, and I was able to make a lot of friends through the assignments. I learned a lot of Igbo.
That Express Igbo is doing such a wonderful job.
I highly recommend taking Express Igbo to any person, Igbo or non-Igbo. Dalu Express Igbo.
Dalu Express Igbo.
Dalu Express Igbo. You definitely made my trips to Nigeria a much more enjoyable experience.
Dalu Express Igbo, thank you for coming into our lives, because now that you all are teaching me how to speak Igbo, I can in turn teach my young children how to speak it, and then we can become officially an Igbo speaking household. Again, Dalu.